In today's video, I'll be showing you how you can delete your Shopify store permanently. Now, this is a very quick and simple thing to do, so make sure you watch this video all the way to the end so you don't miss any important steps. Now, in order to actually delete our Shopify store permanently, we first have to go into our settings, and we can find that in the bottom left corner of the dashboard. Now, when we click on settings, we'll be brought to our store details tab. However, we just want to go to the one below that, which is actually plan. And from there, we can see all of our plan details. So we can see the type of store we're on, the billing cycle, as well as our payment method. And just below that, we can see an option that says deactivate trial. Now, in order to actually delete our Shopify store permanently, we will have to deactivate our trial first if we're on one, or we have to deactivate the plan which we are on. So you can do that by clicking this button here. And from there, it says before you go, review these steps to take before deactivating your store. And this is important if you don't want to lose any important data or receive any unexpected charges. If you're going to delete your store permanently, make sure you read this first, because it tells you some things you should consider before actually deactivating your store. So as I said, if you don't want to lose anything important or be charged unexpectedly, make sure to read this first. From there, you can choose the reason as to why you're closing the store and then click continue. And from there, it says after you deactivate your store, you'll no longer have access to Shopify admin. So if you are sure you want to delete your Shopify store permanently, you can click this red deactivate store button. And from there, you will have successfully deleted your Shopify store permanently. And if you ever decide that you want to use Shopify again, I'll include a link at the very top of the video description that will actually allow you to get 3 months of Shopify for just $3. So I hope you found this video helpful, and thanks for watching.